Beginning November 26th, northeastern China has been battered by a record-breaking snowstorm that has left the region struggling to cope with severe disruptions.
它胆儿真大，还有防滑胎，咱们有防滑胎。刚才大个，我靠！
The storm, which brought relentless snowfall, has paralyzed major parts of Heilongjiang province, blanketing the area in snow so deep that cars have been buried up to their wing mirrors. Local authorities are racing against time to clear roads and prevent further complications, while experts warn of a heightened risk of structural collapses due to the unusually heavy and wet snow.
车没事吧？
哎呦我操！看见了吗？吓不吓人？
录完了，二姐。
The city of Heilongjiang has been particularly hard hit. Over a 24-hour period starting Tuesday morning, Heilongjiang experienced its heaviest November snowfall on record. 13 of the city's 17 weather stations reported extreme blizzard conditions, with snowfall accumulating at an extraordinary rate.
这是医院，就这么远的距离，车过不去了，人抬下来了，抬到医院的，太惨了，我感觉这是一场灾难。
4盒立减87元，选品牌好药，来一城医药。
By Wednesday, certain areas reported snowdrifts nearly half a meter deep, creating nightmarish conditions for residents and authorities alike. Entire residential communities have been submerged under the heavy snow, with parked cars almost entirely obscured, only their wing mirrors peeking out from the white expanse.
"下面全都撞了，这面也都撞了，后面也都撞了，妈堵死了。
Streets across the city have been rendered impassable, leading to minor traffic collisions and widespread immobilization of vehicles. A local homestay owner described the situation as chaotic, with icy roads further exacerbating the challenges for drivers. Even when cars are pulled free from the snow, many remain unusable due to the slippery and treacherous road conditions. Local authorities have mobilized thousands of workers and snow removal machines to combat the storm's aftermath.
他会这你的车完了，我呀，你这一颗太大了是问题，咋了？没带手啊？
In Heilongjiang alone, municipal teams have been working tirelessly to clear roads, sidewalks, and public spaces. Reports indicate that sanitation workers in some areas have worked non-stop for over 30 hours, often in sub-zero temperatures. Despite their efforts, progress has been slow due to the sheer volume and weight of the snow, which has made shoveling and machine operations particularly arduous. The situation has also caused significant transportation disruptions across Heilongjiang province. By Thursday afternoon, 33 stretches of highway remained closed, with no clear timeline for reopening.
这里边有个车啊。
The province's road networks, blanketed in ice and snow, have become hazardous, contributing to minor accidents and delays. Even as snow removal teams work around the clock, residents have taken to assisting the cleanup efforts in their local communities, using whatever tools they have to help clear paths and alleviate the burden. While there have been no reports of casualties or major disasters thus far,
那个公交误那儿了，然后这个公交也误那儿了，然后这个公交也误那儿了。
The storm has raised significant concerns about the region's infrastructure. Experts are cautioning that the heavy and wet snow caused by recent warm and humid airflows has dramatically increased the risk of structural damage.
全部瘫痪。
Authorities are urging residents and building owners to regularly clear snow from rooftops to minimize risk. The Central Meteorological Observatory has described this year's snowfall in northeastern China as unusually prolonged and intense. Heavy to extreme snowstorms in central and northern Heilongjiang are rare in November, making this event both exceptional and alarming. Meteorologists attribute the phenomenon to a confluence of cold air masses from Siberia and warm, humid airflows from the south, creating the perfect conditions for heavy, wet snowfall. As the snowstorm continues to unfold, authorities are issuing regular updates and warnings.